Hello, billionaires. I hope you're doing well. Myself, I'm doing very well. And for those who do not know me, my name is Mary Margaret, and I am a financial advisor. So today I want us to talk about money market. What is MMF? Who does MMF? Who qualifies to invest in MMF? And what is it really? So money market fund is the most talked about investment plan right now on social media. So that is why I chose this topic today. If you follow me, you already know we've talked about this before, more than 1 year ago. And yeah, we are here again to talk about it again in depth. So MMF is under an umbrella called unit trust. Okay, unit trust is among the short-term kind of investment plan available. When I talk about short-term or medium-term, you already know it's below 5 years. So unit trust, under unit trust are other things other than MMF. There's number one, there's MMF, there's equity fund, there's a growth fund, there's bond fund. There are four of them, or those are the four major ones under unit trust. You choose what you want to work with depending with your risk appetite. Some people's risk appetite is up there, some people's risk appetite is down. Person like me, I am not a high risk taker. So if you're high risk taker, high return, you don't mind risking your capital to double your money or make half of your capital, then equity fund would work for you very well. But for those people who are a bit conservative, they are not willing to lose what they have, people like me, money market works well for us. I'll not talk about all of them. Let's talk about MMF. So money market, number one, is a platform that allows you to invest your money and also access it. All right, you can invest and access at the same time. It preserves your capital. There's no single way you invest $1 million, Bob, and find 900,000 or 999,000. You can never lose your principal or your capital. It allows your money to only go up and not down. That is money market for you. I have mentioned that we allow you to access your money, or MMF would allow you to access your money, but for the investment bit of it to make sense to you, it is good to allow your money to grow. I was talking to a client recently, and he tells me, I have a money market with this company that I'll not mention. I deposit money, but whenever I need money, I just withdraw it, even if it's not more than a month. And I was telling him, my darling, you're using that account like a bank account. That is the work of the bank, depositing and accessing the money. But now this is an investment tool. This is an investment vehicle. So you see, I'm not asking you to put your money here for 5 years, but companies will declare interest per annum. So if you can allow your money 12 months, it means you're going to fully benefit from that account. Not with that withstanding, you still can access your money. So currently, different companies have declared different interest rate, but I'll talk about ICA Lion Group. Today, as at 16th September 2024, we've declared 13.92%. Right? We've declared 13.92, or as at yesterday, we update you on a daily basis. And by the way, we declare net interest. It is important to know that some companies declare gross interest, so maybe after deduction the interest may go lower, but we declare net interest. That is it means you earn from the whole 13.92 belongs to you. I don't know what time you'll watch this video, or which day, or after how long, but that is the current interest. It goes up, it keeps on fluctuating. Maybe today we are at 13.9, tomorrow we are at 13.7, 13.5. But I remember we were at 9% the last time I did a video, should be more than a year ago. The least I remember we've done was 8.7, and that was in 2022. So recently, since the year started, the year 2024 started, we were 12.03% per annum. So that shows you we've been going up slowly, which is a good growth, very good growth actually. And that is how money market works. What if I would want to access my money? I've already told you I'm recommending at least 12 months. Okay, but the good thing about money market, We don't wait for the, or money market, any money market will not wait for the end of the year so that you can get your money, so that you can get the interest, that entirely get the 13.92. Of course, entirely getting the 13.92, you'll need to wait the whole year, but you get small bits every month. We give you the small amount every month. That's about the 1.16 every month. Now somebody will say, that is little interest. But my darling, depending on how much you have in your account determines how much you make. Okay, someone with 10,000 will only make 116. Someone with 100,000 makes 1,160. Someone with 1 million is making 11,600. You get, depending on how much you have, determines how much you get. But I'll also say that it is good to start small, but don't start and stop. Start and continuously continue depositing money, because the growth, the more you deposit, it means the more you grow in your MMF. So the little amount you can start with on MMF is 500 shilling. That tells you it is for everyone. Initially, we used to only onboard from 5,000. Like myself, when I joined, that was the minimum, and that is how much you would have joined the MMF with. But right now, you can join with as low as 500 shilling. You don't need to fill forms. In fact, the process of onboarding yourself is very easy. I say yourself because you can actually open a money market for yourself. You only need your ID, your KRA PIN, plus ATM front side, or any proof of banking. It can be ATM front side, it can be a cancelled check, it can be a bank statement. Sometimes I even tell guys to use a screenshot of the front page of the app. Yeah, sometimes we can work with that. All right, we only want to see the account number, because I'm saying this for those people who will raise their antenna once they hear about the ATM front side is not for privacy. The back side is the only one that you can say, this is my privacy. We ask for that because we allow you to open the account for yourself. Remember, when our clients open an account for themselves, they can make an error. I mean, you can put 5 instead of 6, you can put 4 instead of 3, without you noticing. So we use the proof of banking when you request for a withdrawal. That tells you, in case you withdraw money, we send it direct to your bank. And this is when you're withdrawing lump sum, I mean like 200 or any amount above 10,000. How about amount less than 10,000? It is sent to your M-Pesa. How long does it take to get your money, and can you access your interest? The answer is that yes. In case you want to withdraw, you can access your money plus interest. In fact, you can withdraw all your money plus interest. You can also withdraw partially. You don't need to withdraw everything if you don't need everything. I was driving at a point when I was saying we don't wait for the end of the year to give you the interest. We give you on a monthly basis. Like, you benefit from that 1.16 every month. So it means that if I had deposited, let's say like $1 million, and I needed to access my money on the 10th month, like I didn't get to the 12th month, I will benefit from that percentage, that 1.16 times 10 months. How much is that? Please, maybe you can write on the comment section how much that is. So you don't need to wait until the end of the term for you to be able to access something. You access how much your account had made or had generated, plus all your money. Once you do that, the account is still there, and like insurance policies, that when your money matures, that's the end of the plan, the account is still there, you can still continue. If you ask me, one money market is enough. The only thing you do need to have 2 money markets, because I've seen people with money market from another company, they want to join here because maybe they've seen a difference of 1%. We are slightly higher on 1%. I'd still tell you, if you're not disciplined on the other company, you don't be disciplined here because there's a higher return. 1 money market is enough, but of course my hands are open to receive you guys, but 1 money market is enough, even if you're in a CLN group. The only time you need 2 is if you have a different project and you do not want to mix the money. You see, maybe I already have a money market that I'm raising for my next year's school fees, for a child, and I want another money market because I want to build a house. You get? If that is reason enough to have another money market. You can also open a money market as an individual, as a chama, as a company. We only need signatories, maybe 4 on the or maybe 2 on the minimum, or even 4. You can have the officials open the money market, and none can withdraw without the consent of the other. All right. So that is it. In case you want to do a withdrawal of less than 10,000, we have a WhatsApp robot that allows you to do that and get the money almost immediately, maybe less than a minute. More than that, it takes 3 to 4 working days, and yes, you will have the money in the account. It is easy to open. You only need the requirements that I told you: ATM front side, ID both side, and KRA pin. Myself, I just share with you a link, and then the link will prompt you on every stage, like put your first name, put your last name, put your ID number. I mean, it takes like 10 to 15 minutes max to open an account. Make sure you have the money that you want to deposit either in your bank for an EFT transaction or in your M-Pesa. I hope I have answered most of the questions that I mostly receive. If you have a question, put it down on the comment section. Let me also know which other topic on investment would you want me to talk about. I've found a lot of people want me to talk about treasury bills, infrastructure bonds. How do they work? These are really nice platforms, but it is money market is far much easier to start from. Thank you so much for watching to this end. My name is Mary Margaret, and I'd be glad to work with you. My number is 0792877192. Have a lovely day or good night, depending on what time you're watching this video.